Friends, last class we have discussed about the first war of Indian independence, about some of the reasons. So why the peoples or Indians they started struggle against British rule, or why Indians they participated in first war of Indian independence. So what was the reasons? So these are the matters we have discussed in last video. So in this video we are discussing, already in that last video we have discussed another point, how in Barakpurin soldiers they opposed the use of gun or the bullet. So this also we have discussed. So we want to know how this one spread in overall India. This first war of Indian independence, this war, how this war spread overall India. So when the Meerut soldiers heard the news about this like of Royal Enfield gun, in that Royal Enfield gun they smelled with pig and cow fat. So when they got the news, here Meerut soldiers also, they also refused to use of gun or bullet, because of the rumor was spread in all over India. So on that based, Meerut soldiers also they started struggle against British government. So here they saying in that about only. So when they started the struggle, some of the Meerut soldiers arrested by British government or British East India Company. So when they arrested by Meerut soldiers, so the freedom struggle movement started actively in the place of Meerut. So many peoples and so especially soldiers, they actively participated in that struggle to oppose this one Royal Enfield gun, to use of the Royal Enfield gun. So after that, who are they arrested by British government? So Meerut soldiers once again they released. After that, they marched to Meerut to Delhi. So why they went to Delhi? Because of they entered Red Fort and they declared as a Bahadur Shah II is a emperor of India. Means British, they should not rule this one India. Who want to rule this one India? Mughal Empire. That also Bahadur Shah II. So when this like of declaration they did, so after that next point also here is saying, so there are so many peoples, they also came to protect Delhi. So this like in beginning, Meerut soldiers, after the Barakpur incident, the Meerut soldiers they started the struggle and they took the leadership and they done some of the achievements. So after that, this incident, this struggle spread in other region also. So which are the regions? Here they are saying one is Kanpur and another one is Jhansi. So Kanpur, in here they are saying Nana Sahib of Kanpur, he took the leadership in the place of Kanpur and he started to struggle. So here one of the important person who also took support this revolt, that is Tanta Tope. Nana Sahib and Tanta Tope both also they took the leadership, and Tanta Tope given support to Nana Sahib. With the support of Tanta Tope, Nana Sahib started struggle in the place of Kanpur. So when they started, here they saying another one said, here they saying in Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, she took the leadership and she also started revolt against British government. So in that middle, Nana Sahib he lost the battle. British they defeated by Nana Sahib. So when Nana Sahib lost the battle, after that he came and he given support to Jhansi Rani, Miss Lakshmi Bai. Nana Sahib given support to Lakshmi Bai. So after that, this revolt, this 1857 struggle spread in the place of Lucknow. So after that, here they say, but Lucknow in British easily they control the battle or they control the revolt. So after that, this revolt spread in the place of Jhansi. So why Rani Lakshmi Bai, why she took the leadership and why she started by struggle? Because of the British government implemented in the place of Jhansi one of the new policy, that is Doctrine of Lapse. So we all are knowing what is meant by Doctrine of Lapse. So based on Doctrine of Lapse, any adopted children are there, for them there is no power. So when this like of incident happened in the place of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai also she took the leadership and she also participated in 1857 struggle and she did battle against British government. But in the middle, in the battlefield only, she died. So these like we can see in overall India, the 1857 struggle was spread. In beginning, Barakpur, after that Meerut soldiers, after that Kanpur, After that Lucknow, last one Jhansi. So these are the important places in the leaders and the soldiers. They started struggle against British government. And still we are remembering the contribution of Lakshmi Bai. Because of she is a woman, she did fearless fight she did against British government or British East India Company. So that's why still we are remembering the achievement of Lakshmi Bai. So these are the important points about spread of mutiny. So now we want to know result of the mutiny. So when we are discussing about the result or the 1857 struggles effect, so we all are commonly we are knowing we lost the battle. So now we want to know what was the reasons why we lost 1857 struggle. Means failure of 1857 struggle. Why we lost the struggle? There is so much of reasons. So because of we lost the battle. So what was the reasons why we lost the battle? So that only now we want to know. Here first one they is saying, so why means first one, 1857 struggle did not spread all over India. This is one of the important reason. Only this 1857 struggle spread only some important region. Only Kanpur, Jhansi, Lucknow and Delhi and Meerut. Only these are the places spread. That much only. We cannot see this battle did not spread all over India. So this is first reason. Only some of the part only spread by this one war. And second one here they say it was mainly concentrated of this countries. Sorry, here they saying of issues of the rights of kings and queen rather than liberation of the country. And second one point here they say aim of the war. So when we are discussing aim of the war or objectives of the war, only the intention of 1857 struggle, that is the intention of queen and kings. What is the intention of king and queens? So that is to oppose a policy of doctrine of lapse, or to oppose land tax, to oppose administrative system. So these like the interest or the objectives or aim of the 1857 struggle, that is only the aim of kings and queens, not a peoples. And kings and queen also, they given support only their own purpose or individual objectives. They did not give an interest about common peoples. So this is also one of the important reasons. So that's why common peoples, they did not participate in 1857 struggle. And next one, third point here they saying, and here there is no plan in mutiny. Without the plan, because of we are knowing, we are discussed there are so many reasons, but still we did not get any proper reasons. So when we got the proper reason of in 1857, when the British government implemented by the new bullet, so after only we got the correct reason, but still now we did not get any reasons. So that's why here there is no proper planning, because there is no plan. Without the plan they did the struggle, because the first soldiers they started to oppose the British rule. So immediately kings also they given support without the plan. So this is one of the important reason. And next one they say unaccepted result. So sometimes they thought that we only can won this one battle, but there is unaccepted result. Because of they have the more peoples in Indian soldiers say, but there is no proper plan, proper weapons. So that's why they lost the battle. So this is also one of the important reason. After that next one here they say we can see unity in British soldiers, disunity in Indian soldiers. Because of their own intention. In Indian soldiers, Hindus they did the struggle because of their own intention. Or Muslims they did the struggle their own intention. And soldiers, some of the soldiers they did the struggle because of to enter or to become a Mughal king as a king or emperor in India. Some of the soldiers they did the struggle because of favor of Kanpur. Some of the soldiers they did the struggle because of the Jhansi. So these like there is no unity. They have own intention. So on that based they did the struggle, they failed. But in British side only one intention, that is we want to defeat a Indian soldiers. Only that one intention. So that's why easily they won the battle. So this is also one of the important reason. So after the next one they say the soldiers have lack of discipline and organizing skills. So this is also one of the important reason. In Indian soldiers, they loss of discipline. They did not have how we want to do war, what was the methods we want to use. They don't know. Because of still that much time, who is given guidelines for Indian soldiers? British. They did the work based on what they given the direction, on that base they did the work. But now, without the direction, they want to do the work and they want to do the struggle. There is no direction, proper direction, and there is no skill. They don't know what was the skill we want to use to against of British rule or against of British government. They don't know. So that's why we lost the battle. So after that, another point here they say, the Indian soldiers freedom fighter here, lack of military strategies, planning capabilities and soldiering skills. And here they say we not have any plan, that only they saying strategy and any skills, and we don't know how we want to do war. So this is also one of the important reasons to we, so that's why we have failed the battle. And next one point here they say, the freedom, lack of definity of aim, and many of kings extended their loyalties to British and did not give support to freedom fighters. So these are the important reasons. Here they are saying that in only. So first one here they are saying they not have any aim. Why we want to war against British government? There is no aim. I already told. There are different opinion, different aim, different objectives. So this is also one of the important reason. And another one, I already told, this war did not spread all over India. On that base, only some of the kings and queens they given support to struggle, but others they did not given support to Indian soldiers. They given support to British government. Especially we can see in Mysore dynasty, they did not given support to 1857 struggle because of that area is under the control of British. Same that only we can see other regions also. Means some of the kings they given loyalty to British government. So that's why we are failed in the war of 1857. And last one here they say, and not only this one, and common peoples. Why the common peoples did not supported this one struggle? Because of they are exploited by British rule. Why they did not participate? Because of who are soldiers. They started by 1857 struggle. They only dominated or discriminated or exploited by common peoples. They started to loot the wealth by common peoples and plunder. So that's why what happened? The common peoples they did not believe the soldiers of India. They did not believe Indian soldiers. So they also did not participate. So these are the important reasons we have failed in the struggle of 1857. There is no proper reason. This war did not spread in overall India, and kings and queens they have own intention and lack of skill, lack of direction, without planning, without skill, and loyalty of kings and queens to in British government, and common peoples also they did not given the support. And there is no leadership. So in these reasons we can say we lost in 1857 struggle. So now we want to know what was the result after failure of 1857 struggle. Because of we have failed in 1857 struggle, but Indians they got some success. Because of British government they learned some of the lesson in that particular war. Because of still that much time they believed that we can do anything for Indians. They can adjust, they can involve, they can do any work if you are given. So that like they thought. But when the incident of 1857 struggle happened, after that they learned some things by Indians. So if you are this like only if you are continuing, we cannot rule the place of India. So that's why here they say the result of 1857 struggle. So first one here they say the government of East India Company. Till that much time India ruled by East India Company. But when 1857 struggle happened, the East India Company rule ended in the place of India. So in that place one of the new government came, that is the British government. They start to rule in the place of India. So this is one of the important reason. So here they are saying this act is passed in British Parliament in the year of 1858. So on that base till 1857 or 1858 the country of India under the control of British East India Company. After 1857 struggle, this India came under the control of British government. After that, they implemented some of the agreement. So what was the result? What was the agreement done after the 1857 struggle? So first one point here they saying the agreements entered by the company with the local kings were accepted. So what they beginning, the East India Company, they did the agreement, doctrine of lapse, subsidiary alliance, or Diwani rates, or dual governments, or any other tax policy. What was the agreements they done by local kings and the company? This one want to do continue. There is no withdraw, there is no cancel. What East India Company they done the agreement, that only agreement we want to should continue. So this is first rule, first agreement. Second one here they say non-precurrence of regional expansions. So today onwards the British government did not extend their dynasty in India. We are not expanding our dynasty or our government in India. So that like they did in second agreement. Third one here they say providing a stable government of Indians. And third one they say so till that much time, so each place or each dynasty controlled by one king, but today onwards we are providing one of the stable government to Indian peoples or Indians. So what we are giving, that only you want to should do. So this is also one of the important reason. After that, equality before under the law. So this is also one of the important agreement done by British East India Company, British government. Because of we are discussed in judicial system, so in that we already discussed, we can see the partiality. So when the British government they came, they implemented before under the law, equality under the law. We all are equal in based on rules and regulations. So and last one here they saying non-interference of the government in religious issues of Indians and practicing religious tolerance. And last one, today onwards we should not, especially British government should not interfere any religious issues of Indians. Because of all the religion are equal. We want to give equal encourage for all the religion. So this lack of agreement a result done by after 1857 struggle. So next one they are saying, so not only this one, why they did this lack of policy? Because of the British East India Company or British government they understood. So now Indians they got some of the awareness. They have ability. If you lose this like only for Indians, they can control for us. We want to lose the place of India. So on that purpose, the government of British, they took some of the measurements. And they implemented one of the new policy, here they are saying that only policy of association. So what is meant by policy of association? So here they say the ability of listen the voice of Indians was considered. So this is the main reason. Means today onwards, what was the problems are there for Indians? So this one we want to listen and we want to solve the problems. So on that based they given, and another point also here they say they decided to involve Indians in the process of legislation and implemented. So on that based means today onwards we want to listen. So what was the needable things are there for Indians? We want to listen. So on that purpose the method of process to make a laws, that only are they saying by legislations. So today onwards if any laws we are making or we are creating, we want to take the opinion of Indians. So in that purpose they established it by policy of association. And not only this one, this is one of the basement for to other peoples. They encouraged the war of 1857 and they started some other freedom struggle movement also. So this is basement. The 1857 struggle is basement. So on that based, some of the others Indians also, when they got the education, after that they got the awareness. So on that based, if we have the unity, we can struggle against British government and we can get freedom. So this lack of awareness came after the 1857 struggle. So these are the important points about spread of mutiny and reason for failure and result, and after that policy of association. So these are the important points about the first war of Indian independence. So next class we can discuss about next another important lesson. Okay, thank you.